going to change the battery on this Toyota CHR key. First thing to do is take the key out. You have a little slider here. So you slide that open to pull out this key here. That's the slider just there. Take that out. And then what you can do is kind of put pressure on both your thumbs. Putting your thumbs in here, split. It opens. And then this is the section here that we want. So that's in there. Just get your nail in underneath. That pops out. Battery's there. So all you want to do is maybe a pen, or sorry, a screwdriver ideally, but I've got a pen here that pops out. It's a 2032. So any 2032 will do, doesn't matter what manufacturer it is. Pop that in. Oops. So just pop it in, it clicks in. And then we're going to put that back into this section here with the indented section closer to the top. So that makes sense. Put that in there. Just sits in there loosely for a minute. And then it should be reasonably tight once you have it down into the little guides or whatever that it sits into. So down in. I know this sounds real simple, but it should be tight once it's in. And then cover over. So all we're doing is matching them up. Clip, clip, clip. Key back in. And that's it. All sorted. Thanks for watching, and then we should have a little red light, which we do. Thanks for watching.